Tahini Transformation. Hold on to your hats, folks. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor. We're talking about tahini sauce. This isn't just any sauce. This is a magic elixir. It transforms dishes from meh to wow. In seconds, forget boring condiments. Tahini sauce is here to save the day. It's nutty, it's tangy, it's creamy. What's not to love? Get ready to ditch the ketchup and embrace the tahini. Your taste buds will thank you. Gathering your goodies. Okay, let's talk ingredients. This is where the magic begins. Folks, the foundation of any great dish lies in the quality of its ingredients. So, let's make sure we start off on the right foot. We're keeping it simple, folks. But quality matters. Simplicity doesn't mean skimping on the essentials. Each ingredient should be the best you can find. Trust me, it makes all the difference. First up, the star of the show, tahini. Don't skimp here. Tahini is the heart and soul of this recipe. It's rich, creamy, and adds a depth of flavor that's simply irreplaceable. Get yourself some good quality tahini. The runnier, the better. A smooth, runny tahini will blend seamlessly into our dish, giving it that perfect texture and taste. Next, we need some lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Please! Fresh lemon juice brings a burst of freshness and acidity that brightens up the entire dish. None of that bottled stuff. Bottled lemon juice just doesn't have the same vibrant flavor. We want that natural zesty punch. We want that bright, citrusy zing. The zest and juice of fresh lemons will elevate our dish to new heights. Garlic is our friend too. Garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor and a bit of a kick. It's a must-have in this recipe. 1 clove, minced nice and fine. A finely minced clove of garlic will distribute its flavor evenly throughout the dish. And of course, a pinch of salt. Salt is the ultimate flavor enhancer. It brings out the best in all the other ingredients, because everything tastes better with a little salt, right? Just a pinch can make a world of difference, turning a good dish into a great one. Whisking Up Wonder. Now for the fun part, making the magic happen. Grab a bowl and whisk. Add your tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and salt. Now, here's the secret weapon, ice water. Slowly drizzle in the water while whisking constantly. This is where the magic happens. The tahini will transform before your eyes, becoming thick and creamy. Keep whisking until you reach your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. See, easy peasy, flavor adventure awaits. Here's where things get really exciting. We're about to dive into a world of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and elevate your cooking to new heights. Tahini sauce is a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. It's rich, creamy, and versatile, making it the perfect base for a variety of dishes. Want to spice things up? There are so many ways to add a kick to your tahini sauce. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle heat that builds with each bite, or a dash of harissa paste for a more intense, smoky flavor that will leave your guests asking for the recipe. Herbs and spices are your friends. Feeling adventurous? Roast some red peppers to add a sweet, smoky depth to your sauce. Blend them into the sauce for a smoky twist that pairs perfectly with grilled meats or vegetables. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different ingredients, have fun, and make it your own. Try adding fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a burst of freshness. That's what cooking is all about. It's about exploring new flavors, creating something unique, and sharing it with the people you love. So go ahead, embark on your flavor adventure, and enjoy every delicious moment. Tahini Takeover. Welcome to the world of tahini, where this creamy, nutty, and versatile sauce can transform any dish into a culinary masterpiece. Now that you've got your amazing tahini sauce, what are you going to do with it? The possibilities are endless. From savory to sweet, tahini can be your secret weapon in the kitchen. Drizzle it over roasted vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, or cauliflower to add a rich, nutty flavor that elevates the dish to new heights. Or try it on grilled chicken or fish. The creamy texture and unique taste of tahini complement the smoky flavors perfectly, making your protein dishes unforgettable. Use it as a dip for falafel, adding a deliciously smooth contrast to the crispy exterior of the falafel. Or pair it with pita bread and crudité for a simple yet satisfying snack. Feeling adventurous? Make a tahini dressing for your next salad. Just mix it with some lemon juice, garlic, and a touch of water for a creamy, tangy dressing that will make your greens sing. Or use it as a sauce for grain bowls. Whether it's quinoa, farro, or brown rice, tahini adds a rich depth of flavor that ties all the ingredients together. And don't forget noodles. Tahini can be the star of your next noodle dish, adding a creamy, nutty twist to your favorite pasta or stir-fry.